All right, 2022 Buick Envision. Let's get to the cabin filter. It's going to be behind the glove box, so we need to lower it down. Come over here to the damper and disconnect it by pulling on it. Like that. Now there are these stoppers on the sides that you're going to have to get by. And the glove box is pretty stiff, but you can push it in like this and pull it down both sides. Okay. It's going to give you a little bit of a fight, especially if you're doing it with one hand. Let me get it lowered. It's kind of hard to do with, you got a phone in your hand, so sorry. The cab filter is located in this box right here. We're gonna need to take the lid off. I'm gonna push this tab in like this, pull towards us. Push this in, pull towards us. And the door will come down. And I can already tell this filter needs to be replaced. So you can see the dirt hanging off of it. If you notice that it has an airflow direction, when you go to replace the filter with a new one. But here you go. Here it is. I'm going to leave the part number down in the description box or a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get a new one. I'm going to go recommend this to my customer that will replace it, see what they say. But when you get your new one, you just slide your new one in, just like we took the old one out. Okay, just like so. Sorry, I don't have a new filter, but I'm pretty sure my customer's gonna buy one. Let me just get the door. And all you do is just close it, and it'll go right back. And the damper, you stick it right on here, just click it right back on, and you're all done.